Welcome you all to our cooking show with Chef Janvi. Let's interact with Chef Janvi to learn a very interesting recipe.
Hello everyone, I am Chef Janvi. Today I am going to make prawns wrapped with ham, beetroot caviar, lentil consolate and goat cheese panna cotta. And this dish is basically originated from northeastern US.
Chef, this recipe is quite different. So let's start with it. What are the procedures for the dish?
Okay, so this dish consists of many different dishes to make a one dish. So firstly, we are going to start with cheese panna cotta, and the required ingredients we need are we need gelatin, 3 tablespoons, sugar, 50 grams, buttermilk, 20 ml, heavy cream, 2 cups and 100 grams of goat cheese. Okay, so first we'll take heavy cream, 2 cups of heavy cream we'll take. We'll put sugar. And then we'll stir it until it dissolves. This dissolved gelatin, we'll add this in a heavy cream. And stir it properly.
So Chef, I just want to ask you that.
Yeah.
So how much time it will take to set up panna cotta?
So it will take at least 2 hours to set it perfectly.
Okay.
Then yeah, we can.
That's great, Chef.
Yeah, so then after boiling, we'll put in molds and we'll set it in a fridge. After dissolving gelatin, we'll add a buttermilk in it and as well as goat cheese. And we'll mix properly till it comes to a good consistency. A smooth texture we need. Okay, so this is ready. Now we'll pour it in a mold, a silicone mold. Okay, so now the mold is full, and now we'll keep it in a deep freezer for at least 2 hours to set it.
So Chef, if the panna cotta gets set in the freezer, what is the next dish we gonna prepare?
After panna cotta, we are going to make lentil consolate, and for that we need oil. This is lentils soaked overnight. This is chopped tomato. This is chopped onions. This is chopped chilies. This is Tabasco sauce. We'll need a little, and this is salt, pepper, sugar. Okay, so we'll start with the dish. First, oil. We'll put onions in it. Then tomatoes in it. Mix it properly. After tomatoes, we'll add sugar, a pinch of sugar for little sweetness. Then we'll add Tabasco sauce. Not much. mix it well. And then we'll add lentils soaked. And then water. Okay, so first we'll marinate the prawns. We'll take it in a bowl. We'll add some black pepper, salt as per taste, and we'll mix it properly. Okay, now the oil is heated. We'll put prawns. Okay, now the oil is heated. We'll put prawns. Sometimes this will happen. You can see. We can fix it again with a toothpick after cooking. Okay, now we'll take beetroot juice. Then gelatin. We'll mix it properly. And we'll put sugar. Just give it a boil till the sugar dissolves.
Action.